We have limited resources. We have our time, a lot of time in our hands. We have our energy. Um, Depending upon our state of mind and depending upon what time of the day, we have high energy sometimes and low energy sometimes. And we have our goals and purpose that drives us, and we have limitations, right? If there are no limitations, the goals won't be interesting. Achieving them would, if achieving them was easier, it wouldn't be interesting. So now, considering this current scenario, with a lot of self quarantining, social distancing, there are a lot of challenges that are there. But also, let's look at what are all the ways this is a possibility. Yeah. So that we can utilize, we can deploy the resources that we have at our hand, time, energy, our systems in place. Some systems in place, some systems can't. Technology is also a resource, definitely. Maybe I wouldn't really say spend time watching TV shows, because that can get into its own addictive cycle. Sure, in entertainment wise, it can be a good replacement, but maybe you can make a list of shows that is very uplifting also, instead of just falling down into the same pattern of watching guilty pleasure shows which don't add value, just plays with our emotions, and we come out of it just wasted time, right? So let's look at that, and let's do that. And we can reconnect with friends, family, people. Let's look at establishing and driving deeper in long-term goals. Let's look at matching the goals, our sankalp, our direction, with the resources that we have, how to deploy them. We can end up making a 10-year plan, 15-year plan also. Or we can end up journaling a lot, writing a lot. Maybe you can relook at this video and take notes. I'm going to, most likely. So every day take a moment and see, okay, I have a lot of time at hand, let's say. There's a lot of travel times that is being cut down, right? A lot of time at hand. So how do I deploy it efficiently? Or you can look at joining online yoga classes. I have started, yesterday, from deciding not to, cancel classes, to canceling of classes due to this, current scenario, to trying out on online classes, now to conducting them regularly. It all happened in a matter of 4 hours, right? So now I'm looking at ways to make it like more better. So maybe this is an opportunity to go deeper and serve people through yoga. It's just different technology. It's just different tool. Obviously, there are certain things that needs to be looked at, relooked at, or changed. But like I said, if there isn't challenge, then it isn't going to be interesting. Yeah. What are the ways in which you are looking into your life and fixing things and reassessing things? Let me know. Thanks. Stay safe, stay kind, stay purposeful. Importantly, just make sure your ecosystem of mental state is well taken care of, with the right food, right people, right interactions. Of course, not saying that don't listen to news, but maybe in moderation. Stay safe. Bye.